Hi, my name is Natalia, and here's my short feedback on the sales and marketing internship at Raznameh Group. I can say that this internship was a great experience for me. I worked on many different interesting tasks, like creating sales and educational content, making video presentations, lead generation. I also had a chance to work with the ERP system, and it helped me learn more about it and understand how it works and why it's so important. I explored many educational resources, which gave me new ideas and helped me better understand marketing. It was exciting to apply my skills to real tasks and see how they work in practice. I appreciated quick feedback on my work because it helped me improve and stay on track. Working with colleagues from different backgrounds also valuable for me, and I learned a lot from them. Overall, this internship gave me valuable skills and knowledge for my career in marketing, and I'm thankful to be part of the team and grow professionally.